Okay guys, I'm going to go over how to use our little triangle here for electron configurations. If you'll notice looking at it, you go across 1, 2, 3, all the way across, 4, all the way across. These are your shells. Okay? The letters S, P, D, F, those are your subshells. The exponent tells you how many electrons you can put in that shell. For instance, S shells, or rather S subshells can have 2 electrons. So it's 1 block. P subshell can have 6 electrons, so it's going to be 3 blocks. D subshells can have 10 electrons, it'll be 5 blocks. Let me show you an example. We'll do the first one. First problem is bromine. I already have a nice electron configuration table made up. This is what you'll need to draw. Okay, for each one of the problems on the worksheet, this is what you need to do. Higher. Okay, I'll see if I can't make this make some sense. Okay, 1s. Notice 1 is your shell, S is the subshell, and in case of S there is 1 orbital. You can put 2 electrons in here. 2s, same thing, 1 orbital. 2p, there are 3 orbitals. So you could have a total of 6 electrons. If you'll remember, here, p6, 6 electrons, you can pair them up. Okay? Notice the order, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. This order follows the funky zigzag pattern on your little electron configuration cheat sheet. Okay? You draw 1s, then 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p. And you keep going if you need more. Okay? But here's our example. Remember, the exponent on your subshell letter tells you how many electrons and therefore how many orbitals. There's always half as many orbitals as total electrons. Okay? So here's our table. Let's fill it in for bromine. Bromine has 35 electrons. So let's fill them in. You draw the electrons as arrows indicating spin. An up arrow is plus 1/2, a down arrow minus 1/2. You keep going, 3, 4. When you get to a subshell with more than 1 orbital, put 1 electron in each orbital until there's an electron in every orbital. Then you double up. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're up to 10 electrons. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. There is the electron configuration for bromine. Now, I start with the up arrow. You can start with the down arrow if you'd like. You could go down, 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 up, up, up. You could have the single electron at the top. You can have the single electron in the bottom. The main thing is, remember this. If you're filling out a subshell with multiple orbitals in it, put 1 electron in each orbital until there's an electron in every orbital, then double up. Do not do this. Okay? You're not going to have a full orbital and a blank orbital at the same time. 1 electron in every orbital, then go back and double up the electrons. Okay? That should do it for the first one. All the other ones are like that, guys. Draw the electron configuration table, fill it in with the number of electrons the periodic table says for that element. Okay? Thanks.